Welcome to JH. Today we are diving into Concentrated K, a supplement that packs vitamin K1, two types of K2, 4 Malawian kwaches and 7 Malawian kwaches, and the antioxidant astaxanthin into a single pill. It's marketed as a high-dose, full-spectrum formula designed to support your bones, heart, and calcium balance, because apparently, your skeleton needs a premium subscription service to stay upright. Online users are generally thrilled, reporting lower calcification scores and better wellness, which is often just code for feeling slightly less like a pile of laundry. It's also frequently praised for its price, making it a bargain for those who want their K-complex without paying a king's ransom. Of course, we have to address the fine print. While vitamin K2 certainly has its perks, the marketing team is definitely writing checks that large-scale clinical research hasn't quite cashed yet. Why wait for boring old science when you have a catchy slogan? Safety is another big one. High doses of vitamin K can clash with blood thinners like warfarin, so maybe check with a professional before you start DYNG your internal plumbing. There is also some nerdy debate about whether mixing these ingredients in one capsule affects their stability, but overall, Concentrated K appears to be a legitimate option in the endless sea of please let me live forever supplements.